big warm welcome to all our Mi fans, our media colleagues, and everyone who is watching us live right now. We are launching multiple Mi products.
We have something new that will make sense. Introducing the Mi Box 4K. With the Mi Box 4K, we give you an option to convert your regular TV into a smart TV with access to all the content apps that you love. Comes with your favorite apps. You also get access to more than 5,000 plus apps and games. Talking about future-proof, the Mi Box 4K comes with HDR10. With the HDR10, you get true to life color and saturation for everything that you watch on your TV. Comes with the latest Android TV 9.0 out of the box. With the Chromecast built-in, you can cast from thousands of apps. With the Google Assistant built into your Mi Box 4K, you can do so much more. So that's Mi Box 4K in a nutshell for you. I'm very happy to announce that the Mi Box 4K will be available for an incredible price of Rs 3499 only.
Presenting to you the all-new Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. We wanted to make sure that we get you a product that delivers on professional sound in this form factor. We added a massive 14.2mm dynamic driver, all new LSDC support, the low latency high definition audio codec which comes with a higher bitrate and delivers high definition audio. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 which gives you an ample range of 10 meters, faster connectivity and stable wireless connection. Smart dual noise cancelling microphones. They are ergonomically designed to be slip resistant and super comfortable. Smart in-ear detection and gesture control. A fully loaded product tuned especially for India, just at a price of 4,499.
Let me give you the first look of Mi 10 5G in the India market. Here is a much closer look of both the colors together. While the Mi 10 features one of industry's most color-accurate displays, it is also the brightest panel which we have ever shipped in the India market. This display will impress you in the first glance itself. Now, if you closely notice, this is a 3D curved display, making it one of the greatest devices for one-handed usage. Smoother scrolling, and it also gives an edge to all our gamers out there when it comes to online competitive gaming. Mi 10 is one of the few flagships out there which allow you to shoot 8K videos. It packs 16 times more pixels when compared to the Full HD resolution. I would like to emphasize upon that 8K is the future of cinematic videography. Also features a brand new shoot steady mode. The large sensor allows Mi 10 to beat all its competitors, and especially when it comes to the low lighting performance. The 108 megapixel sensor, which is also the primary sensor, comes with OIS, which means that it allows you to produce some great stabilized content. The portrait mode has been our finest implementation of all the learnings which we have acquired over the recent years. Today, we are introducing Pro Video mode on the Mi 10. With this addition, the idea is to emulate a professional camera experience through a smartphone camera. On the Mi 10, you can also shoot images in RAW mode. The Mi 10 in India will be powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 865 SoC. It is also 25% faster than its predecessor and delivers up to 100% performance boost on the AI front. It delivers up to 30% faster performance with optimized power efficiency. With a triple cooling layer mechanism which essentially combines vapor chamber liquid cooling with graphite stack and graphene, regulates the CPU temperature to deliver that sustained peak performance which you have always expected from a flagship like this. The Mi 10 houses one of the biggest batteries when you compare it with the other flagship phones. Mi 10 features 30-watt wire turbocharge with 30-watt charger in the box itself. So what you get on the Mi 10 is triple fast charge. Mi 10 in India will feature stereo speakers. Now, speed and stability is an experience. We are introducing 5G multi-link on Mi 10. This feature would allow the phone to connect to 3 networks simultaneously. Now, this means that the phone will be able to connect to 2 different Wi-Fi networks and use the mobile data at the same time. This feature has been introduced to maintain a stable and consistent smartphone experience.
Mi 10 is a true flagship phone. 2020, if your phone does not have a 108 megapixel camera sensor, it is not a flagship. You need to experience this camera to truly believe what it can do. I'm happy to share that we are launching Mi 10 8GB 128GB variant at only 49,999. 999 rupees. And the 8GB 256GB variant is being launched at 54,999 rupees. So I hope all of you guys will really love these three products. Please take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care, guys. Namaste.